Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing Santa's Post Office LEGO set 10339, which is part of the LEGO Icons collection. This set has 1,440 pieces and it also comes with a light brick. Looking at the box we can see there's a nice color of the northern lights in the background. We can see the minifigures, Santa and the elves, and the building, as well as the hot air balloon. In the back, it gives us the back view of the building and the dimensions, as well as posing the minifigures in a few places, and it also has the light brick on display, which is used in the hot air balloon. Now it's time to unbox the set. There's 10 bags that come inside the box, and then you also get one bag with the elements that create the actual balloon for the hot air balloon. So there's gold and green elements here. The first two bags build what is in the small instruction manual, and then the rest of the bags are going to build the actual building and the hot air balloon. The set comes with two instruction manuals. The first one, you build this little toy making machine as well as the tree and a little post. And then in the main one, you build the actual building as well as the hot air balloon. And then over here, we have the sticker sheet, which comes with 7 different stickers. And then we also get some information about the set right here at the start, and then you start building. So that's the LEGO Santa's Post Office. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe.